So we started operations in June of 2017, and we were initially funded by DARPA, the Department of Defense, and by the National Science Foundation. And we're extremely grateful to those agencies for funding a significant portion of the development of our technology. The first round of funding from investors came in December of 2017 from an Italian company. So we have a strategic investor called IMA. IMA is the world's largest manufacturer of packaging equipment for the pharmaceutical and food industries. So they make extremely high-speed machines that package pharmaceuticals and food, from tea bags all the way to anti-cancer drugs. So they are interested in 3D printing because if you think about it, it will be considered in the future a more sophisticated form of packaging. In the future you may want to package drugs in a much more sophisticated way for specific drug delivery purposes, for example. So IMA is today the largest shareholder in Inkbit. We also were very fortunate to start live with a very important partnership with Johnson & Johnson that funded to a great extent the development of our biocompatible materials and of our specific printing capabilities that are of importance to the healthcare, to the medical industry. So Johnson & Johnson came to us with a specific product that they wanted to manufacture, but the product was too complicated to build with traditional methods. It has a very intricate geometry and it has to be personalized to each individual. And they saw in our system, especially because of the vision system that is integrated into the printer, a way to not only make more reliable, more precise geometries, but also for FDA approval purposes, having a vision system integrated into the machine is of fundamental importance because our machine can create a digital replica of every product it makes. We talked earlier about the integrated optical tomography scanner that allows us to scan the interior of the part at each layer. So it is very much the equivalent of having a medical CT scan for a product. So once this medical device will have to go through FDA approval, Johnson & Johnson believes that having a digital twin of every part will be essential. So that's why they liked our technology. In addition to Johnson & Johnson, we are also developing new products with large corporations in areas as diverse as aerospace and defense, medical, pharmaceuticals, apparel, and automotive. So the ideal customer for us is an organization that wishes to introduce new products that could not be manufactured by traditional methods, or wishes to disrupt the way prototyping is made, because with our printer we can go from prototyping to short-run production all the way to volume manufacturing with the same machine. We're taking a different approach from the traditional business model of 3D printing, where companies offer equipment, materials, and software. We have found it very rewarding to work side by side with customers to help them launch new products faster. Customers have come to us with an idea, and we have helped them in many ways that go far beyond simply printing parts for them. We have developed new biocompatible materials for them. We have at times changed their own design to take advantage of additive manufacturing, and we have helped them by doing small batch production to test the product in the field. So in the future we want to continue on this trajectory by working side by side with customers at launching new products faster. So the ideal customer for us is someone that comes to us with an idea, and we help them all the way from designing for additive manufacturing to small production, material development, all the way to product launch and eventually volume manufacturing.